In the second quarter social weather survey conducted by the Social Weather Stations or SWS this year, the number of Filipino families who experienced hunger in the past 3 months was recorded to have declined. According to the latest data from the SWS, 20.3% of families experienced involuntary hunger in June, lower than the 23.2% hunger rate recorded in March. The hunger rate also declined in Metro Manila, Balance Luzon, and the Visayas. The biggest decline was recorded in the Visayas, where the hunger rate fell from 28% in March to 22.3% in June. The survey was conducted from June 20 to June 29 through face-to-face surveys with more than 1,000 individuals aged 18 and above. It may be recalled that poverty incidence in the country also declined in 2025 to 9.7%, according to data from the Philippine Statistics Authority, lower than the 15.5% recorded in 2023. According to DSWD Assistant Secretary Irene Dumlao, this shows that the government programs are being implemented and are being felt by Filipinos.
But napakahalaga nito para sa amin kasi yung mga programa kagaya ng Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino Program, Walang Gutong Program, Sustainable Livelihood Program, at gayon din yung assistance to individuals in crisis situation ay nakakapag-contribute sa pagbaba ng kahirapan sa ating bansa. Alam naman natin, Yusek Marge and Joshua, that poverty is multidimensional. Kaya kinakailangan na tugunan natin yung pangangailangan ng bawat sektor, particularly of the poor, vulnerable, and the marginalized.
Under the Walang Gutom program, qualified households receive 3,000 pesos per month loaded onto cards that can only be used to purchase nutritious food. There are also Walang Gutom kitchens that serve free breakfast and lunch to anyone experiencing hunger. The Kadiwa ng Pangulo program also continues to offer 20 peso per kilo rice and affordable food products, providing families with another way to save on their daily expenses. According to ASIC Dumlao, the survey results show that the government's efforts to expand access to food for more families are having a positive impact.
And of course, alam naman natin na yung kagutuman nakakaapekto sa productivity and performance ng mga bata and of course ng mga adults, lalong-lalong na sa kanilang pagtatrabaho o paghahanap buhay. Kaya meron tayong Walang Gutong program na namumuhunan naman at nagbibigay ng food assistance or tumutulong na maglagay ng pagkain sa hapagkainan ng mga mahihirap nating mga kababayan para ma-address naman yung food insecurity.
Carlo Candelaria for The Nation.